Hello everyone, welcome back to QGIS-Student Mapper. If you are into GIS, mapping or working with geospatial data, this quick tutorial is for you. Today I will show you how to download shapefiles for free from DIVA-gis. Let's dive right in. First, go to your browser and type in www.divagis.org or simply search DIVA-gis download on Google. Below data DIVA-gis, you can see home DIVA-gis. You can click on that, then you should click on data tab, or else you can directly open data DIVA-gis. Now select the country you are interested in from the list. For example, let's pick India. Then under the subject, you can find various types of shapefile like administrative area, roads and more. Here select administrative area. Then click the Indian administrative zip file. In the right corner of the screen, you can see downloading. Here shapefile will downloaded as zip file. Once it's downloaded, go to your downloads folder, right click the zip file and extract it as shown in the screen. Open the downloaded zip file. Click on the downloaded zip file and select extract all. Then browse location where you want to save the extracted file. Here I am created new folder named as QGIS. I am going to select this folder. Click on extract. Here you can see the extracted files. Now I am going to show how to insert extracted file in QGIS. First open QGIS, select new empty project, then click on layer, then add layer, then select add vector layer. Here browse the extracted files where you have saved, then select all shapefile which consists of Indian boundary and state, district and taluk boundary. Select all shapefiles using control button one by one. After selecting all shapefiles, click on open, then click on add, close. You can see the extracted file. First one is Indian administrative boundary, next state boundary, then Indian administrative district boundary, then Indian administrative taluk boundary. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded free shapefiles from DIVA-gis and then inserted in QGIS. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more GIS tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.